Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML elements, and right now we will be discussing about HTML iframe tag along with the height and width value. So along with the height and width attribute. So quickly, use the height and width attributes to specify the size of the iframe. The height and width are specified in pixels by default. That is, in the example right here, we are having our iframe opening and closing tag along with our src attribute, along with our height and width value attribute, along with our title attribute. All of these, they are having their different values. We have already discussed about the title attribute along with the source attribute and their values and the benefit of using them. And now we are talking about the height and width attribute along with their values. So quickly, let's continue. Or you can add the star attribute and use the css height and width properties. So for example, when you specify your opening and closing tag, your source attribute is there, your title attribute is there along with the value. Now you can specify a style attribute along with this height and width value again inside this style attribute. As you can see, we are having height and width here. Definitely you can use it inside our style attribute. So quickly, let me show you how it works, because it's very good when we demonstrate how everything works. Quickly, back to our document. This is what we are having in our previous tutorial. Let's reload it. Nothing is there right now. This is our iframe that we created earlier. Back to our iframe. This is the thing. This is what created the iframe for us. You can check our previous tutorial where we explain this in details. So now let's create the height and width. Quickly, height will be like this, and you can specify height 200 pixel, 200 pixel. When you specify height 200 pixel, reload the document. Can you see the height gets more longer? You can see. Now we can specify the width also. When we specify the width 200 pixel, can you see the width short again? Now we can do something again. You can delete all this quickly and write style. Inside this place you can write width 600 pixel, any amount of the pixel we want to write. Let's reload. Can you see it gets longer? And we can write height also inside this style height. When you specify height, you can write 200 pixel, or you can write 300 pixel as you want. You can specify any other value that you want. As you can see, it gets bigger. That's what we are trying to teach each other right here. As you can see, we have used the normal attribute height and width attribute along with what we have also used the style attribute. So anwar akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. Make sure you practice, because practice makes perfect. Have a great day. Thank you so much. Bye bye.